Good morning, honey. Hi. I see you have your pink flamingo. Uh-huh. Good morning. Do you see your doggy? Are you gonna go down? Oh! Where'd he go? Where's Adam? Where did Adam go? Where's Adam? There he is. There he is. Here he comes. Here he comes. Hi. Hi. How was that? Uh-huh. Flamingo. Up, down, up. Come up, yeah, down. Hee hee hee. Hi. Hi, kiddo. Uh-huh. You got your giraffe? You gonna give your giraffe a hug? Oh. Frida's talking to us. Say hi, Frida. Frida doesn't sit still for hugs like your giraffe does. What's the matter, Frida? Sit. Frida, sit. Good girl. Down. Down. Good doggy. Good doggy. Say good doggy. You gonna give Frida a hug? But she said no. No hugs.